Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be walking you through a super helpful process, how to create an email template in Figma using the Marka email generator plugin, and how this fits into building a clean, scalable email design system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find the plugin, choose a template, customize it, and set yourself up for faster, more consistent email design going forward. If you're looking to save time and avoid reinventing the wheel every time you design an email, you're in the right place. Let's start by opening up Figma. Once you're inside your workspace, take a look at the bottom center of the screen where you'll find the Actions area. This is one of those features that's easy to overlook, but it's incredibly powerful once you start using it. Go ahead and click on Actions, and from there, navigate to Plugins and Widgets. This section is basically your gateway to extending Figma's functionality with specialized tools. In the search bar, type in Marka Email Generator. As you type, you should see it appear in the list. Click on it, and if it's your first time using it, Figma will prompt you to install it. The installation only takes a few seconds, so nothing to worry about there. Once it's ready, go ahead and open the plugin. Now that the Marka plugin is running, you'll see a clean interface with different options. What we're interested in is the Templates section. This is where the real time-saving magic happens. Instead of starting from a blank canvas, you get access to a library of professionally designed email layouts that are already structured to work well across different email clients. Take a moment to browse through the templates. You'll notice a variety of styles. Some are minimal and clean, others are more bold and promotional. Think about the purpose of your email. Is it a newsletter, a product announcement, or maybe a welcome email? Pick a template that aligns with that goal. Don't worry about it being perfect because we're going to customize it anyway. Once you've found a template you like, simply select it. Within seconds, it'll be added directly to your Figma canvas. This gives you a fully structured email layout, complete with sections like headers, images, text blocks, and buttons. It's a huge head start compared to building everything manually. Now comes the fun part, customization. Click on any element in the template to start editing. You can replace the placeholder logo with your own, update the text with your actual content, and swap out images to match your brand or campaign. You can also adjust colors to align with your brand guidelines, which is especially important if you're building a consistent email design system. As you make changes, keep usability in mind. Emails should be easy to scan, so try to maintain clear hierarchy with headings, short paragraphs, and well-placed buttons. Also, be mindful of spacing. Good padding and alignment can make a big difference in how professional your email looks. Another smart move here is to start thinking in terms of reusable components. If you find yourself designing elements like buttons, headers, or footers that you'll use often, consider turning them into Figma components. That way, you can reuse them across multiple email templates and keep everything consistent without extra effort. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a professional email template in Figma using the Marka Email Generator plugin, and how to turn that into a repeatable system for future projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more plugin walkthroughs. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical design tips, and I'll see you in the next one.